In this video I'll be making a tuna sandwich. It eventually turns into kind of a smörgåstårta, but building it like I do here is not a necessity to make it delicious. Just take a slice of bread and put some of the filling on top and you'll be golden. I'll start by cutting a couple of celery stalks into small pieces. I also grate a couple of carrots. I then add a bunch of lemon zest into the celery and carrots. I add some mayo and stir. Next I have a couple of already hard-boiled eggs. At this point I realized I should have cut the eggs into pieces before adding them to the mixture, because it took a while to break them apart being in the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. I cut the side of a lemon and squeeze in some of the juice. It's now time to add the tuna. I also need some more mayo, about a cup in total. To give it some extra flavor I add 1 teaspoon of hot sauce and 1 teaspoon of Worcester sauce. I peel 70% of a cucumber to leave some of the fiber. Too much fiber and my insides start getting crazy. I cut the cucumber into thin slices. It's now time to taste this tuna mixture. We need some black pepper and a small pinch of salt. Be careful with the salt here. Store-bought mayo usually has a lot of salt in it already. Now it's good. I place a couple of slices of bread on a cutting board and put half the tuna mixture on top. I spread it out before adding another couple of slices of bread. I use whole grain bread here, but you could totally also use white bread. I add the rest of the tuna mixture on top and spread it out. I add a final couple of slices of bread before coating the building in a thin layer of mayo. When all of it is covered in mayo, I try to get my cucumber slices to stick to the structure. For decoration I slice some bell pepper. I add the slices of bell pepper in a sort of flower pattern on top and place a couple of slices of lemon in the middle. This looks more like a classical smörgåstårta than a tuna sandwich, but it's fine. I plan on making a classical smörgåstårta in another video. It's similar but has another flavor profile. Let's take a look at the cross section. Looks really good actually. It's finally time to taste the final result. I first add a dash of lemon juice on top. This was delicious, and if you put it in the fridge for a few hours it will be even better.